So you might be in a position where for some reason your Snapchat stories are not deleting. Now what does this mean? Well, essentially, maybe you go ahead and post a story on Snapchat, and maybe you go and just post it on your standard story, but for some reason the story is just not being deleted. Maybe you see it added to your story and everything, but it's not deleting. Well, the first thing you have to remember is if you want to delete the story, you have to make sure, one, you're connected to internet, Wi-Fi, data, whatever it is, but two, you want to make sure you're actually deleting the right story that you want to delete. So for example, if you make our way over to our story, you can get there by clicking on the top left of this little circle thing right there. And when you get into this panel, you'll be able to see your story if you scroll down, and you'll see your My Story option here, right? Now, what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and click on the three dots next to this story. So you can either click on it and you can open up that story, you can scroll through it, or if you just want to go straight into deleting that story, you can click on the three dots that's right next to that story. So click on the three dots and you'll see these two things. You can always save your story if you want to before, you can add to your story, whatever. But our main focus is going to be clicking on this story and deleting it from here. So click on the story, click on the three dots above here, and you should be able to see this delete snap. So go ahead and delete that Snapchat, go and click delete that Snapchat story, and that will end up deleting the story. Now what you can do on top of that just to make sure is to go ahead, hop out of here. You want to completely close out of your Snapchat. Then what you want to do is open it back up. You should see your profile icon here. If you see something else or if you see that story again, what you're going to want to do is make sure you're on Wi-Fi, make sure you're on your internet. That is probably going to be the main way to fix it. Now, if that still doesn't work, you may just also want to update your Snapchat application. So go and make your way over to your app store right here. You want to go ahead and search up Snapchat as you normally would. So go and click here, search up Snapchat, and you want to go ahead and update the Snapchat application as well. And that's probably another way you can go ahead and pretty much fix that issue. So update it, and that should end up fixing it. You can try restarting your phone too, but usually that will end up fixing it. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.